In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your PC or Mac. First, open web browser and search Adobe's official website. Go for it. Choose your country, then click Start Free Trial. Next, select the plan that best suits your needs. You can choose the Individual, Business, or Students and Teachers plan. For this tutorial, we'll choose the Individual plan, which includes a 7-day free trial for Adobe Premiere Pro. Enter your email address and click Continue. Complete the required information, including your payment details. Adobe may ask for a valid payment method, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the free trial ends. Accept the terms and complete the sign-up process. Next, search and download the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Install Creative Cloud, then sign in using the same Adobe account you just created. Once you're signed in, go to the Apps section, find Adobe Premiere Pro, and click Install. After the installation is complete, you can launch Premiere Pro and start using it during your free trial. And that's how you can download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your PC or Mac.